Lowe's. I just almost blew my cover. Homie was down here. Get up in here real quick. What up, gang? It's your boy, Money Mark. And y'all see where we at, right? Y'all see, bro. Hit that like, bro. Hit that like and subscribe. First of all, because we back at it with another challenge, gang. And this challenge is gonna be trying to be up in Lowe's or Home Depot or either one of them. Oh yeah, perfect. But we gonna try to do it here or either where, but I'm trying to find somewhere in this spot where we can, you know, spark up. I know there's something in here like, bro, we gonna get behind the toilets or something, bro. Like, we can get behind, shit, bro, I could get in the bathtub and do that shit, man. Oh, that would be savage, right in here. Inside the shower? Nah, bro. Nah, bro. They'll kick my ass out quick on that one. But let's see, gang. Let's see. Cause I know we can make a look at all these things too. We can make a fort out of. So we're gonna see what up. I'm gonna try to see if I can find somewhere to make a fort. And if not, then we just gonna see if we can spark it in here or something, okay? But I'll tap in with y'all in a second. Hold up. Alright, gang. Check it. I've been looking all over, bruh. And I've been trying to find a spot. But I don't know. I think I wanna go on like one of the top, like on a top layer, like up there somewhere, and make a fort, you feel me? But I'm just trying to find where, because, hey, look in the back over there, though. We might be able to do it right there. We gonna find it, gang. We gonna find it. And if not, shit, I'm just finna get in a refrigerator, bro. Straight up. That shit will be savage, too. But let's see what up. I'll tap in with y'all. We'll get this shit cracking. Gang, I think we found one, fam. I think we found one, bro. I'm gonna get up on one of these I'm gonna get up like on either the second, like the third. I just need to find one that's empty in the back. What up, gang? Alright, so we up here, bro. We jumped up on that shit, you good? And we made ourselves a little fort right here. This shit pretty nice right here. I just definitely can't drop the bleeze. I can't drop the bleeze up here, gang. And I feel like, watch, move this shit right here. Hopefully nobody needs no events or nothing, gang. Cause shit, I'm right here, bro. Posted. And we got everything. Good. And shit. It's gonna, I don't know where I can set y'all up at. So bear with me, gang. I'm just gonna hold y'all. Found y'all somewhere to chill and kick it, you feel me? I hope the light ain't showing up crazy or anything. We gonna get this shit poppin'. We up like 3 levels, gang. And we got the bleeds right here in the Santa hat. Y'all know what's good. YouTube, all tobacco, all CGI. None of this is real. We ain't even in Lowe's right now, gang. We chilling. And yeah, gang. We just vibing out, bruh. Gotta get this challenge popping. See what's up, okay? I hope y'all can hear the music. Cause shit, bro. I'm gonna probably, if I can't do it here for a little bit, then oh shit. Then I'm gonna go up in the, cause the music's kind of pissing me off. So I might just go into a refrigerator game. Big ass one. We'll see what's up. I'll tap in with y'all in a second. Let me light this up. Let me see if the music is bugging. Hey gang, bear with me, bruh. Stupid ass music. Oh shit. Thought I heard someone, gang. Let's get this challenge popping. Y'all think I'm gonna be able to get this one? Let's see. YouTube, all tobacco. All legal. All CGI. All legal gun smoke. Let's see what's good. Damn, bro. This shit more sucks. Cause I can't just get out and run. I have to jump off the whole damn thing. It's all good though. I'll just jump down real quick. I don't think I'll get that. Shit, gang, they probably gonna trip. They'll be like, where the hell is that shit smoking from? We up 3 levels above you, gang. Shit, y'all never know what's up, man. Out here in Lowe's. God damn. Blowing this shit out, okay? Blowing this shit out. We gonna try to get like, maybe like halfway up here. And then jump down. Try to go into a refrigerator again. And see if we can complete the challenge. If we can complete the challenge in there. But other than that, this one right here looks like a dub game. Just post up right here. Take a little video real quick. Damn, gang. I thought I heard someone over there, bruh. Shit, bro. I had to turn off the light. That shit is too sus. But I don't think we could have been caught. Just chill up here. It's literally like 3 stories up, bro. So, I think we're gonna be good. I just wonder if I won't be able to get down without getting caught, gang. I just gotta jump down real quick. So. Cause that would be mafia to do it in a Lowe's refrigerator. That would be sick. I would probably get out, and then they'd be like all the smoke, and then I'd be like, oh shit. I don't know if I'd get caught, but then we just walk out and be like, what? I didn't even do nothing, bro. I was just chilling. Y'all know what's good though. If y'all like these challenges, let me know. We gonna see what's up. We gonna try to get them popping. And do like some shit like this, you feel me? Don't try this at home. I'm a trained professional. This is all for entertainment purposes only. So don't be trying to go climb up 3 stories and do some crazy shit. Like me, gay. Lowe's. Shit is fine. Let me see if I can get a thumbnail. this cop. This music though, this damn sound of music is pissing me off. I should've just got in a freaking refrigerator. We about halfway, I would say, bruh. We about halfway, I would say. Let me see what's up. See if I can. Alright, bruh, there ain't no one. No one in sight, bruh. I just get down and try to go get him in the thing real quick. Damn, gang, I just almost blew my cover. Homie was down here. I think someone's pulling up, bro. Let's see, bro. Coast clear. Get this out the way real quick. Let's see what's up. Hey, we jumped it. We had to jump off the wood real quick. Let's go see if we can get up in somewhere else, bro. Nah, I'm not gonna walk that way. That food's back there, bro. Let's see. We can find somewhere else to do it. Success though, bruh. Hey, challenge 1 complete, bruh. Let's see what we can do. Another challenge up in here too. Gang. We in the freaking, we in the refrigerators. I popped one open. Now I'm just gonna go run and jump in it when no one's looking. And I don't think no one's looking right now. Get up in here real quick. Success, gang. We in here. We in the... Oh, shit. We did this shit, gang. We up in the Lowe's refrigerator right now. It's a freezer, but y'all know what's good, bro. Hey, ain't nobody doing challenges like this, gang. Ain't nobody doing challenges like this. Listen, I got the rest of it. So, we gonna finish it. Up in here. Let's see what's good. I gotta be quiet, though. Because, shit. You never know, gang. You never know. All CGI, all tobacco, all legal gun smoking inside, you feel me? Damn, I've always wanted to do this whenever I was a kid, gang. But everything was always filled up, you feel me? Now we doing this shit. When I get out, I'm just gonna have to freaking run, gang, or I don't even know what I'm gonna be able to do. I'm just gonna have to run out. This shit is but in the damn refrigerator. In the refrigerator. See, the only thing that's gonna suck is if someone opens this shit. They gonna see me in here and I'm probably gonna scare them. Hopefully ain't nobody looking for one. Shout out to this shit, gang. You already know. Get your shit right, man. Bruh. This shit is hotboxed out, gang. We almost done with it, too. We pretty much roached it. Look at this shit, gang. You can't even see me in here. Damn, gang. Ain't nobody came either, bro. We just chillin'. I consider this challenge complete, gang. We did this shit, bruh. We killed this challenge. Ain't nobody doing no challenges like me and Lowe's in the fridge, bruh. Savage, bro. I just gotta get about this hoe, though. But when I do, I'm just gonna jump out this bitch and run. Feel me? That just will be funny as fuck. But I don't wanna put this out in here, bro. We roached it. Let me put this out and then I'll get out. Let's get it. Hey, bro. Hey, bro. The homie just seen me hop out. That shit is smoking too, man. Hey, bro. I say, challenge complete. We killed that shit, bro. Hey, challenge complete, gang. In the low down. In the freaking fridge, bro. In the fridge, who's doing that shit, bro? That homie seen me and everything. That fool didn't say nothing, bro. Money gang on top, bruh. We killed that challenge. Let's get up out this bitch now, bruh. I got places to be, bro. We chilled it, bruh. We chilled it, bruh. If anybody in love, good. We just got lit up, feel me? And now we good. Have a good day. Hey. Have a great day, bruh. Oh no, I'm sorry. I'm tired. Have a great day, family. You feel me? And I'll try this at home. I'll train professional. We killed that challenge. W Money Gang. Make sure y'all drop a like on this video right now. Subscribe if you ain't already subscribed. If y'all want to see me do some other challenges, tap in and let me know. But I got some more ideas too. Love y'all, squad. Money Gang.